This watch is packed with so much value for the price. I bought this a few months ago and I'm happy to share that this watch has more than delivered. It comes with some of the most comprehensive health tracking features of all the smartwatches. It comes with a beautiful AMOLED screen, a variant of OLED, and comes with some of the most comprehensive health tracking features, which is why I personally bought the watch. The Garmin watch stores all of your data securely and gives you access to it without a monthly fee. This is incredibly important because your data should be yours. Everything tracked in the watch is accessible on the app dating back years if you've been using it that long. It tracks your resting heart rate, your sleep, stress levels, heart rate variability, and even your oxygen variation. To me, the most important feature is that it tracks my stress levels. Even the Apple Watch doesn't track this. They call stress the silent killer, and this watch has been so helpful in helping me manage my stress and identifying when I'm unknowingly overexerting myself. While wearing it, it provides an alert notifying you when you're overexerting yourself and that you should rest. Ultimately, we get more done when we take care of ourselves and balance work with rest. In fact, effective rest is core to being your best self. With the tech being available, we should be utilizing it to be our best selves. I've been using this watch for a few months now. I don't review a product unless I've genuinely used it for quite a while, and I can confidently say that this watch is a 4 out of 5 being like a revolutionary product, as in like the iPhone when it initially debuted. So this is honestly an amazing product. This watch normally retails for $350 Canadian, but it's currently on sale for around $200. And that's in Canadian, so if you're in the US, it's even less. There's a link in the description if you want to get one. I highly recommend it whether you're looking to track your health or whether you're just looking for an entry-level watch to get into the smartwatch industry. The technology is here, the engineers have been working tirelessly at this, putting all their energy and time, so it's great to utilize these things, especially when it's something that can help improve your life. Thank you to Garmin for making this incredible product, and thank you for watching. Next week I'll be reviewing what I consider the best camera for 2025 for the value, so make sure you subscribe and tune in.